If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. Delete queries in Access let you delete records in a table that match a specified criteria. Deleting unnecessary records can speed up the performance of queries, reduce redundancies, and make for more smoothly operating databases. When you run a delete query, you are deleting records that match a specified criteria. You do not delete field information only. You erase the entire record from the table. In order to not delete all the records in your table, you must carefully select which records to delete by using query criteria. To create a delete query in Access, start by creating a query in Query Design View. Then add the table that contains the records to delete to the Query Design View. Next, click the Delete button in the Query Type button group on the Design tab of the Query Tools contextual tab in the ribbon. Next, add the fields to the QBE grid you need for criteria purposes, and place the criteria by which to select the records to delete into the field or fields criteria row as needed. Then run the query. A dialog box appears telling you how many records you are about to delete from the selected table. If this is correct, click Yes to continue. If this looks incorrect, click No to abandon the record deletion and double-check your query criteria. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.